students. Now today we will see our page number 20. So on this page number 20, exercise 2.4 is given. So what is given in the first question? Write the number names for the following numerals. So numbers are given here. We have to write down their number names. Number names means we have to write down these numbers in spelling. So A example is 4047. So we have to write their spellings now. So write down 4047. Write down the correct spellings. Okay. So 4047, that is the answer. Now see B question. 8765. So we have to write down like this. 8765. Okay, now see C question. 9654. So again we have to write down spellings of all. 9000. Write down correct spelling of 1000. 600. Correct spelling of 100. We want 654. Like this. Okay. Now D question is 7180. So you write down 7100 ONE1 HUNDRED 100 80 TRGHTY 80. So like this you have to write down in your textbook, and remaining examples, see in your textbook remaining examples are there. EFG. So EFG, that is for your homework. So you have to complete EFG in your textbook. They are also very simple like this only. Now see second question. Write the numerals for the following number names. So here exactly opposite of this, they have given already the number names here, and we have to write down one numeral for all these number names. So A example is what? 4984. Okay, so we have to start with the 4000. So 4000, that we have to write down in this 1004. That digit we have to write down there 4. Then 900. So below this 100, H means 100, we have to write down here 9. Then 84. 84 means what we will write? 84. So 84, 8 we have to write down here in the tens box, and 4 we have to write down in the ones box. So 4984. That means our numeral is ready now. So in this way we have to solve all these examples. Now see question number 2. Write the numerals for the following number names. A is over. Now see B question. 2503. Okay, so start with 2000. 1000. In that 1000 box, what we will write? 2. So write down here 2. Then what is given? 500. So we have to write down 500 in the 100 box. We have to write down here 5 and 3. So in tens place nothing is given. So you write down here 0, and what is last? 3. So in ones box we have to write down here 3. So what is that number? 2503. Okay. So in this way you have to write down in your textbook. Now see question. 6296. Okay, so start with the thousand box. What we will write in the thousand box? 6. So you write down here because 6000 is given. So write down here 6. Then 200. So in this 100 box, what we will write? We will write here 2. Then what is given? 96. So in this tens box, what you will write? We will write here 9. And what is the last digit? That is 6. So in this ones box, we have to write down here 6. Okay, so read this number now. 6296. Okay, so in this way, A, B, C is over. Then D and E, that is for your homework. You will complete this D and E in your textbook. Now see third question. Write the numerals for the following in your notebook. So this third question you have to write down in your notebook. So write down in your notebook. And what is the first question? 7031. So we have to write down numeral for this notification. Okay, so this 7031. So you write down like this 7031. Okay, so in your notebook also you have to draw one line with the help of your scale and pencil. So it will look nice. Okay, then see B question. 5054. So what we have to write here? 5054. So remember to write down this 0 because only 5000 number is not given. So that's why we have to write here 0. So read this number 5054. Okay. Now see question. 2857. So start writing 2857. So like this you have to write down. Now see D question. 1153. So start writing 1153. So we will write like this. Okay. Now see E question. 3609. So start with 3609. 609 means we have to write like this. Then see F question. 6225. So write down here 6225. So in this way you have to complete these all questions in your notebook. Now see your page number 23. On this page number 23, exercise 2.5. So what we have to do here? First question is write the place value of the encircled digits. So we have to write down this question in your notebook because in your textbook there is no space. So in your notebook you write down properly exercise 2.5. Write down this first question, then write down A. Like this only you have to write down in your notebook. So first question is what? What is given? 2718. So in this first question, this circle is on this 7 number. Okay. So you write down in your notebook like this. And what we have to write here? What we have to find out? We have to find out the place value. So you just write down, do this arrow like this. Find out the place value of this circle digit. Okay, so we can see here what is this ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, where is the circle? On which place? On this hundreds place circle is there. In that circle, which digit is there? 7. So we have to find out the place value of this 7 number. So we will start with this ones, tens, hundred. So where this 7 is, the place of this 7 is at this hundreds place. So 700. So what is our answer? Place value of 7 is, we have to write down here, 7 multiplied by 100 equal to 700. Okay, like this we have to write down this answer in your notebook. Okay, now see B question. What is this number? The 4327. So we have to find out place value of this 4. So start with ones. See, below this ones 7 number is there. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So again we have to give here arrow. So place value of 4 is what? 4000. So if we do like this, 4 multiplied by 1000 equal to how much? 4000. So place value of 4 is 4000. Okay. Now see C question. What is given in this C question? 3049. So where is this 0 here? Below this 100 number. So remember, every time place value of 0 is always 0. So we have to directly write down here place value of 0 is 0. Because 0 multiplied by any number, answer is what? 0. So very simple. Okay, only we have to write down answer 0. Okay, now see D question. What is given in this D question? See in your textbook, 1876. So we have to find out place value of this 1. So count from ones, tens, 100, 1000. So circle is here. So what we will write? 1 multiplied by 1000 equal to 1000. This multiplication is for our understanding. So our answer will be always correct. Okay, now see E question. What is given in this E question? 6450. So what we have to find out? We have to find out place value of this circle digit. 4. Place value of 4. So start with ones, tens, 100, 1000. So place value of 4 is where it is located? Below this 100. So we have to multiply by 100. 4 multiplied by 100 equal to what? 400. So our answer is 400. Now see F question. 8756. Very simple. This circle is on this first number, that is on ones. So very simple. You just write down that number and multiply by 1. 6 ones are how much? 6. So what is our answer? Our answer is 6. So in this way you have to complete this GHI like this only in your notebook. Now see second question. Write the face value of the encircled digits. So what we have to do? Wherever this circle is there, we have to write down that digit here. So first example is what? 2378. Where this circle is on this 3 number. So face value of this 3 is, you just write down that number only. Face value means that circle number that you have to write down again. That number is our answer. Very simple. Wherever circle is there, you write down that number in the answer. Now see B question. 3829. So where this circle is on 2. So what is the face value of this 2? That circle digit is, you write down that digit only. Face value of 2 is 2. Now see C question. 2754. So face value of this 7 is 7. So what is our answer? 7. Now see D question. 3678. So where circle is there? Circle is on 3. So face value of 3 is 3. So write down answer 3. Then E question 7095. Where circle is there? Circle is on this 0 number. So what is the face value of this 0? Face value of 0 is 0. Then what is the next question? F 2643. So face value of 2 is, what is our answer? 2. Wherever that circle is there, that is our answer. Very simple. So you complete next GHI in your notebook. This question also you have to complete in your notebook. Question number 1, question number 2, and their GHI and first questions also GHI complete in your notebook. Now see third question. Tick, write the number matching each statement. So one statement is given here and 3 numbers are given. So which number is correct, that we have to find out and do the tick mark. So a example is what? There is a 4 in the ones place. So we have to find out the answer. So start with here this number, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So what is given here? There is a 4 in the ones place. So in this ones place 7 is there. So this number is not right number, it is wrong number. Then there is a 4 in the ones place. So ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So what is given in the example? 4 in the ones place. So 4 in the ones place is there. So just tick mark on this number like this. Then B question is what? There is a 5 in the tens place. So find out which number is correct. Ones, tens. So in this tens place 5 number we want. So this 5 is here. So we have to tick mark on this number 9050. Okay. 5 in the tens place. Correct. Then C example. There is a 6 in the thousands place. So start with this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So in thousands place we want 6. So this number is not correct. Now second number, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So in this thousand place which number is there? 6. And that number we want. So 6584 is the correct number. So tick mark on that number. Now see the question. There is a 0 in the hundreds place. So find out that number. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So what is given in the question? There is a 0 in the hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundred. So in this 100 place 0 is there. So this number is correct. So just tick mark on that number. 9095 is our correct answer. So this third question you have to complete in your textbook. Now see fourth question. So this fourth question you have to write down in your notebook. Find the sum of the place values of 5s in 6505. You will write down everything as it is in your notebook. Write down exercise 2.5, this question number 4 like this. So what we have to do here, what is given here? 6505. And what is the question? Find the sum of the place values. Sum means what? You just remember, sum means addition. So we have to do here addition. Of what? Of the place values of 5s. So in this number, how many 5s are there? 1, 2. Okay. So first we have to find out their place value. So place value of these 5 ones. Okay, this 5, place value of this 5, we will write this place value of 5. 5 multiplied by 1 equal to 5 multiplied by 1, 5 ones are 5. And place value of this 5 if we will write here ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Okay, so count ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So place value of this 5, ones, tens, hundred. So 5 multiplied by 100 equal to how much? 100 multiplied by 5, 500. Okay, so everything is ready here. So what we have to do? We have to do here addition. So just do 500 plus this 5. 5 plus 0, 5. This 0 as it is. This 5 as it is. So what is our answer? 505. So everything you write down in your notebook. Now see fifth question. This question also you have to write down in your notebook. Find the difference of the place values of sevens in 8778 number. So first you write down 8778. You have to write down as it is in your notebook. So what is the question? Find the difference. So first, what is the meaning of difference? Difference means we have to do here subtraction. These words are very important. So remember always these words. This also you write down in your notebook. Meaning of difference is subtraction. So what we have to do? We have to do here subtraction. Of what? See, of the place values of sevens in 8778. So there are 2 sevens in this number. So we have to find out first their place value. So you first write down your ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So start with ones. Ones, tens. So place value of this 7 is 7 multiplied by 10 equal to how much? 10 sevens are 70. So place value of this 7 is 70. Then ones, tens, 100. So again place value of this 7 is 7 multiplied by 100 equal to how much? 100 sevens are 700. But what we have to do here? We have to do here difference. So first you write down this 700 minus 70. So we have to do here subtraction. So 0 minus 0, 0. Now see here 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7, it is possible? No, it is not possible. So what we have to do? We have to cut this 0 and then take 1 from this 7 number. So we will write here 10. Okay. And 7 minus 1, what we will write here? 6. Now do subtraction. 10 minus 7, how much? 3. Okay. So 7 minus 1, how much? 6. So 6 minus nothing. What we will write? We will write 6 as it is. So what is our answer? 700 minus 70 equal to 630. So everything you write down as it is. Now see sixth question. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these questions you have to write down in your notebook. So sixth question also you write down in your notebook. Find the quotient when the place value of 8 in 7586 is divided by its face value. So first you write down this number 7586. So what we have to find out? We have to find out place value of 8. So you first write down ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. So place value of 8 we have to find out. So start with ones, tens. So place value of 8 is 8 multiplied by 10 equal to 10 8s are 80. And what is given? By its face value. So place value of 8 is 80 and face value of 8 is 8. Just we have seen Face value means we have to write down that same number. Okay, so face value of 8 is 8. Now what we have to do here? We have to find out the quotient. Quotient means what? Whenever we divide one number by another number, the answer is known as quotient. So 80, this means this place value of this 8 is divided by face value of that particular digit. So face value of this 8 is 8. So we have to do here division. Okay. So in the table of 8, 80 number is there. Yes. 8 tens are 80. So we can write down here 80. 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. So what is our answer? Our answer is 10. So everything you complete in your notebook as it is. Now see 7th question. Find the product of the place value of 7 in 1873 by the face value of 6 in 6843. So first we will find out the place value. First we will write this number 1873. So what we have to find out here? We have to find out place value of 7. So place value of this 7 is, so first you write a ones, tens, 100, 1000. So start with ones, tens. So tens means 7 multiplied by 10. 10 sevens are 70. So this is place value of this 7. Okay, again what is given? 1800. Then which number is given? 6843. This number is given. So in this number we have to find out face value of 6. Face value of 6. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So face value of 6 means what is the answer? We will write here face value of 6. Face value means we have to write down the same number as it is. So face value of 6 is 6. Okay. So what we have to do here? Find the product. Product means what? You write down. Product means we have to do here multiplication. Whenever product, this word will come, this word product will come, we have to do multiplication. So what we have to do here? We have to multiply this 70 and 6. So write down 70 multiplied by 6. So start with this 6. 6 multiplied by 0, 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer will be 0. Then 6 sevens are. 6 sevens are how much? 42. So what is our answer? Our answer is 420. So everything you write down as it is in your notebook. Now see 8th question. Find the product of the face value of 2 in 1258 by its place value. First we will write this number 1258. So what we have to find out? We have to find out face value of 2. Face value of this 2. Suppose we write here ones, tens, 100, 1000. We will first find out the place value. Okay. So we have to find out place value of this 2. We will write here place value of 2 equal to ones, tens, 100. So what is the place value of this 2? 100. 2 multiplied by 100 equal to 200. Okay. So place value of 2 we got. Then what we have to find out? We have to find out face value of 2. Face value of 2 is, we know very well, face value means that number we have to write in the answer. So face value of 2 is 2. Okay, so what we have to find out? We have to find out here product. Product, I told you that meaning of product is multiplication. Okay, so what we have to multiply? We have to multiply 200 by 2. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. 2 multiplied by 0, 0. 2 2s are 4. So what is our answer? 400. So you complete all these examples in your notebook.